Hey, welcome back to Baking with Becca. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies. This recipe is all done in one bowl, so it's super easy. In a bowl, cream together the butter and both sugars. Once it's smooth, you can crack in the egg. Mix this in until it's smooth and then add the vanilla extract. Sieve the flour into the bowl and then mix this together to form your dough. Once you've got your dough, add in the chocolate chunks. Mix this in so that it's evenly distributed. Your dough should look something like this. Prepare your work surface by dusting it in flour and cover your rolling pin in flour as well. Roll out the dough to your desired thickness and then cut out the cookies. The dough is quite sticky, so it's best to do this in small batches. Place the cookies onto your prepared baking tray. Refrigerate for at least 10 minutes. This helps them keep their shape while they're baking. You need to leave a lot of space between the cookies because they expand during baking. When you've taken them out of the oven, leave them to cool down on the baking tray before transferring to a wire rack. They're quite gooey, so they need to firm up before they're moved. Let me know if you like this video by hitting the like button and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that you know when my next video is out. Thanks for watching.